Hi guys, this is me, Emrys Gods, and today I am farming some trees because in Strainless SMP you need to be rich to have some gear and you can PvP, yeah. And after you can get that, you can do anything in here. Kill. There's even a killing arena in the spawn that can take parts and you can fight there. And there is one thing. Only sword, no no mace, no spear is allowed there. You can't use wind charge. So for today's video, the my one of my friend told me the best way to grind in train this is to chop trees and craft them into chests because chest sells a lot in Strainless. It sells 550, maybe up or down. But I started small and now look at my money. It's now big. It's now a lot. So shout out to sweet to this guy, Sweet, for the tips, and make sure to join straindes.net if you want competitive life skill server. This the and you can even get mic here. You're gonna need something for the mic to work and download Fabric and anything that this this guy is Sui is finding someone to PvP so he can get some kills and money because the gear that he gets can be sell a lot. And bye guys. See you in straindes.net and I can even